Hi, it's Jeff again, your leading project consultant. We're here on another project. It's dig day. We've got a pool going in. We're partnered with Permapools. You can see they're here active and installing a pool. It's going to be a 16 by 38 fiberglass. We're excited to be a part of this project. We've put together a design for this customer. It's a customer in Indianapolis, and there's going to be quite a bit going on. We've got the pool, we've got the concrete deck, talking about doing a checkered pattern concrete. We have some retaining walls because of the elevations here. We've got retaining walls on the other side due to elevation changes, steps. We'll have natural stone steps going up to the driveway. But we're here today setting the benchmark and working alongside Permapools to make sure pool placement and elevations are where they need to be. That's one of the most important parts. The pool sets the stage for everything else, and then we build around it. We'll be excited to see this process and how it turns out, and for you to be involved in that and to see what the end product looks like. In any backyard pool project, there's a few things you always want to take into consideration. And for instance, look here. We've got a large tree that came down that sometimes there's trees that are in the way that interfere with the project, or may be out of the way, but you just want to get rid of it so it's not dropping leaves and debris into the pool. But this is one that sits right at the edge of our pool deck, decided to remove, and our excavator here with Permapools is going to try to remove it for us if he can. That's a large tree. We'll see if he can do that for us. He has a number of other tree stumps over here as well that that were removed for the purpose of the pool project. So that's one thing you want to look at in your backyard as you're thinking about a pool design. There's several features going in at this house that we take the job to completion. There's a fountain going in. That's always a beautiful add-on to any pool. We'll show you what that looks like and what it takes to put that in. But we'll have some plumbing ran to that Doug's going to do for us, and then we'll tie into it. It'll have 3 spillways, some lights. It'll look beautiful. One other thing I wanted to mention when you're starting any pool project is the benchmark. Let's get out of their way. We've got the dump truck coming. Establishing a benchmark is always critical with any pool project design. And you want to take a look at existing thresholds and where the sill plate is on the house, foundations. We don't want to build up past all of that. You got to think about drainage, and so we want to be careful. But if you take a look at the back door of the basement, this is where we set the threshold. He's not changing any of that, but we always want the exterior hard surface to sit a little bit lower than the floor in the house. And so our benchmark is going off of the back door. Everything will be built off of that. The pool elevation will be set to that elevation there. And then we'll have all the concrete sloping to a channel drain. And that's a great way. Looks good when it's finished. Great way to get rid of water, and especially in a flat area like this, we don't have a lot of options. And so you'll get to see what that looks like as well.